Hi, I'm Vipassana Rasayan from the National Law University, Jodhpur. My CLAT rank was 286 and I was a student at the Connaught Place Centre of CLAT Possible. I thought of pursuing law when I was in 10th because I saw it as something new and dynamic and ever relevant. So I just felt motivated to do something which was different from what I was already doing. So I came to know about CLAT Possible through a family friend who had already cracked NLU Delhi, and it was very helpful because right from the mocks to the study material to the teachers, everything was just on point. I think it was so comprehensive, like even the fact that everything was personalized, like all the 3 elements were personalized, the comments in the study material, everything was very engaging for me as a student. And going on to mocks were pretty much very similar to the actual paper that came up. So that was one thing, and the teachers were always approachable and available for us. Those two were the quintessential resources any law student should use, because especially legal PYQ, the sort of work that people have put in making that document, it was just amazing, you know, having everything ready in front of me. And GK Perfect, again, very comprehensive and covered almost every aspect of GK. Talking about time in general, I think CLAT Possible, its location and also the teachers, the center itself was very conducive for a student to engage with the teachers, have fun and also study rigorously. So that was one thing. And also when I went to law school, yeah, definitely I found a lot of students there, and they are now my seniors, and it's a good network. I think newspaper is the most important element when it comes to reading in general as a section, because it would help you develop all the sections all together. But also I feel a very general reading habit for everyone is very necessary to crack this current pattern which has emerged now. Just keep one thing in mind, that if you're motivated to, you know, pursue something, take it as something that you want to do and not something that you wish you will get, and just be consistent towards achieving that end goal, and that would absolutely help you attain it.